Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Gadget Canvas. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to talk about: the brand new iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro. In this video, we'll dive deep into the latest features and upgrades that Apple has brought to these two smartphones. Design and build quality. First things first, let's talk about the design and build quality. iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro come in two distinct designs. The standard iPhone 15 boasts a sleek aluminum body with color-infused glass, giving it a premium look and feel. On the other hand, the Pro models, the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro Max, take it up a notch with an aerospace-grade titanium frame, which not only makes them incredibly strong, but also lightweight. I must say, the new concert edges feel amazing in hand, making these phones a joy to hold. Color options. Now, when it comes to personalization, you've got plenty of choices. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus come in 5 vibrant colors, perfect for those who want to express themselves through their phone. Meanwhile, the Pro models come in 4 elegant colors, adding a touch of sophistication to your device. Whether you're into vibrant or subtle colors, Apple has got you covered. Performance. Under the hood, both the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro pack serious power. The standard iPhone 15 runs on the A16 Bionic chip, which offers blazing fast performance, smooth multitasking, and top-notch energy efficiency. But for those who crave even more power, the iPhone 15 Pro series comes equipped with the A17 Pro chip. This chip not only handles everyday tasks with ease, but also delivers exceptional graphics performance thanks to its ray tracing capabilities. Whether you're gaming, editing photos, or running demanding apps, these iPhones can handle it all. Camera upgrade. One of the most exciting aspects of these new iPhones is the camera system. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus feature a 48-megapixel main camera with a 2x optical zoom, perfect for capturing stunning photos and impressive portraits. And here's the kicker: you can turn any picture into a portrait, even after you've taken the shot. It's all about that post-shot flexibility. Pro camera system. Now, if you're passionate about photography or filmmaking, the iPhone 15 Pro models take it to a whole new level. With 7 Pro lenses, including a 48-megapixel main camera, a 3x telephoto camera, and an impressive 5x telephoto camera on the Pro Max, you'll have the flexibility to capture amazing shots from ultra-wide to extremely tight. The camera system also enhances low-light and portrait photography, making your photos and videos truly exceptional. Video capabilities. Speaking of videos, all the new iPhones can shoot high-quality videos, but the Pro models offer professional-grade filmmaking tools. You can now shoot in Pro formats, opening up endless possibilities for post-production. And the USB-C connector with USB 3 speed ensures lightning-fast transfers, perfect for those who work with large video files. Conclusion. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro series bring some remarkable upgrades to Apple's lineup. Whether you're looking for a stylish phone with fantastic performance, or you're a creative professional who demands the best in photography and video capabilities, there's an iPhone 15 model for you. It's an exciting time for tech enthusiasts, and I can't wait to see what you create with these new iPhones. If you enjoyed this video of new tech gadgets, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for the latest in tech innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.